What's going on, ladies and gents? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and today we're doing a product review. Since I was gone for the low-carb cruise, I had several things land in my mailbox. These are two of those things. Figured I'd do a product review on them. We'll start with the Backcountry Fuel Box. I'm super excited about this. I talked to the founder on the phone. He wants to, work with me, so I'm trying to incorporate more of the outdoors into my brand. And I need some backcountry fuel when I'm outdoors, so it works well. Let's see what we've got going on here. So it's got like a little featured products of April 2019 in here. It's kind of like a subscription box, like a lot of the keto crate boxes out there. This one is not specifically catering towards the keto audience, but more towards the outdoors community. At first glance, I'm just gonna let y'all know that I'm not thinking that this is gonna be very keto friendly. We've got chocolate chirp cookie, Cowboy Cricket Farms, made with cricket protein, which is actually pretty cool. But this has got 13 grams of fat, 28 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of protein. Ingredients are flour and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And you've got the cricket protein, which is ground Acheta domesticus. I'm assuming that's what that is. Don't know what that is, the cricket protein. Not keto. Protein puck. I used to eat these all the time when I was in Washington, and I think they're actually from Washington, but they're also not keto. This was before I was keto. First ingredient is agave, sunflower butter, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, dates, 16 grams of carbs, 19 grams of fat, so a little higher than I like to go with my carb threshold. Meal to go. 1/3 of your daily nutrition. Ultimate Nutrition Green Belly. 100 grams of carbs in this bad boy. For every 22 grams of fat. 17 grams of protein. The first ingredient is tapioca syrup. So this is definitely not keto. Predator Fuel Oatmeal Blue Raz. It's oatmeal. 61.5 grams of carbs. Not keto. There's these coffee packs in here, Dark Timber Vapor. It doesn't show the ingredients, but it says instant coffee and sweet cocoa blend, so I'm assuming it's not keto due to the sweet blend. Justin's cashew butter. A lot of people use this on keto. This is the most keto thing in the box, it looks like. But even this has got 9 grams of carbs, which is kind of pushing it for me for something so small. So I probably wouldn't do this, but this is somewhat keto. And then there's these Hydrate and Recover electrolyte drinks, but there are 9 grams of carbs per drink, which is not a good use of carbs in my opinion. And then chicken Alfredo pasta. So again, not keto. I don't want to sound like I'm bashing on this company. The owner and founder is super cool on the phone. His partner was super cool. I think it's got a lot of potential. I like the way they're going with it. This is not made for ketogenic people, so I don't want to bash them saying that they're trying to make something that's keto and none of this is keto. These are all really high calorie foods that are easy to eat on the go. Like you add water to it, add hot water to it, or just eat raw as is. So all really good backcountry foods for that perspective. But I'm gonna try and convince him to get the keto brick in there, because the keto brick obviously is keto and would also satisfy what they're looking for in their products. So that's all I got to say about Backcountry Fuel. I do appreciate them sending me that, but I don't recommend it from a ketogenic perspective yet. This one should be a little bit more keto friendly. I had Kurt on my podcast, Kurt from Caribeque, and he hooked me up with all of his seasonings. I've got the Jamaican Jerk Spicy Seasoning Blend. I've got Calypso Seasoning Blend, Lemon Garlic. I've got Spicy Calypso, and then I've got Island Thyme. And the cool thing about these is he does not use any anti-caking ingredients like maltodextrin in his spices, which most companies do. So this one, for instance, the Calypso, we have ingredients: salt, paprika, garlic, onion, pepper, cinnamon, ginger, chili peppers, cumin, sage, rosemary, meringue jam, I don't know how to pronounce that, thyme, and natural spices, no MSG. So these are all in the same boat, no MSG on all these. We're about to cook some steaks right now, and we're gonna try these on the steaks. So I'll let you know tomorrow how they taste, but I'm super excited to give these a shot. Kurt was super awesome on the podcast, just real good, down-to-earth dude. I'm happy to support him, happy to shout out his product because I believe in him, and I want to see him do well. So give yourself a pat on the back, Kurt. This stuff looks great. Give him a shot. We're about to cook some steaks. See you next time.